Good morning, my babies. All right, here we go. Let's start the video. Start the video, suckers. The people want to know what I eat in a day, so I'm going to show them what I eat in a day, right?
And the Swole comment of the day is this comment right here. For a chance to be featured in the next Swole comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment below.
So word on the street is y'all want to know what I eat in a day. Well, you're about to be really disappointed. I swear to God, I eat the most boring meals ever. But I'm gonna be realistic and show you what I genuinely eat like pretty much every single day. Let's get into it, shall we? For breakfast, every single day, MamaSwole eats 2 eggs, and I usually have a piece of toast, but I found these banana bread English muffins, and they sound good as fuck. So we're gonna try those today. I always put a little bit of peanut butter and a little bit of chocolate peanut butter because it tastes like a Reese cup and it is so freaking good. Also, please ignore this. Just need to clean them. And then for my coffee, we're gonna have some Colombian. I drink coffee every single day. I need it to survive, okay? In honor of the fall season, we are going to try this pumpkin spice almond creamer. I've actually never tried this before, so let's see how it goes, shall we? Alright, squad, we've got our breakfast. It looks delicioso, doesn't it? I got a little crazy with the coffee. I went really wild this time. I normally drink my coffee black, so adding the cinnamon and the creamer is very unusual for me. But we got our eggs, ketchup, English muffin with the peanut butter, chocolate peanut butter, and of course, agua. Because stay hydrated, kids, right? Just to keep it real, I don't track macros ever. But today, for this video's purpose, I thought it might be fun if I just tracked them today, just to see where I'm at protein-wise, fiber-wise, carb-wise, all that jazz. And maybe I will implement some changes if I notice that I need to make any, because I don't know if my diet's the healthiest it could be. I just am happy with how I look, so I just continue to do what I'm doing, which that's fair, right? But I don't know, I still want to make sure I'm getting enough protein and fiber in. So that's what we're gonna find out today. I'm curious to see how this is, because I've never had this before. Ooh. Everybody say it with me. Ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Slaps! That shit's bomb. Let's try it with a chocolate one. See if it tastes any different. Yes, it's so freaking good, man. I highly recommend these. But let's try the coffee too, because I've never had this either. I can hear the angels singing. That especially slaps. Highly recommend this also. This combo, this and this, is perfecto. Alright, I'm gonna finish eating and then we're gonna track the macros and see what exactly this breakfast consists of nutrient-wise. Okay, so for those of you who have never tracked calories / macros, or for those of you who have never used MyFitnessPal, this might be pretty helpful for you. The easiest way to do it is use this guy. It's a barcode scanner, so you just, What if we could scan me? Wouldn't that be funny? I wonder how many calories it would say I am. All you do, real simple, take it and you put it on the barcode like that, and then it'll bring all the calories and everything up automatically. I didn't exactly measure everything out because I've had so much experience with tracking, so I can kind of estimate it, and I feel like I have a pretty close estimate. But if you're new to tracking macros and your goal is weight loss or building muscle, then I would recommend that you measure everything out with like a scale or tablespoons, measuring cups, all that shit. I tracked the ketchup, I tracked the coffee creamer, peanut butter, all the things that you wouldn't think you would need to because they're smaller amounts. Like I didn't have that much ketchup, right? But I'm still gonna track it because it all counts. It all adds up a lot more than you think it would at the end of the day. So far for our breakfast was 20 grams of protein, which is pretty good. I'm happy with that. 50 carbs and 21 grams of fat. So pretty much I'm happy with the macros for my breakfast. I do wish it was like a little bit less fat, but we'll see where I'm at the end of the day. So for my workout today, it's kind of a rest day, so I'm just gonna do a yoga workout. Hope y'all enjoy. So here we have our second meal. It is some chicken pad thai. I don't eat this like every single day, but every now and again I will order out to eat. And if I'm ordering out to eat, it's gonna be pad thai. I know this isn't very healthy. Okay, I know. Like I said, I'm gonna make it realistic, okay? At least I'm keeping it real with y'all. In my opinion, it's okay to eat out at restaurants as long as you're smart about it, you know? Because obviously when I opened the box, you saw it was a giant ass serving of pad thai. So I only have about half of that in this bowl. Portion control is key, man. Right, Sook? Suki agrees, she'll tell you. Portion control is key. Like, it's okay to eat shit like this every now and again, as long as you're not eating like that much of it. So what are the macros of pad thai? Let's go get my phone and check it out. So obviously this isn't gonna be exact. It's gonna depend on the restaurant and everything, but I'm just gonna wing it. According to MyFitnessPal, a third of one order is 33 grams of carbs, 10 grams of fat, and 8.7 grams of protein, which isn't very high in protein. I don't know if that's exact, like I said, but if it is, then oh my god, it's not a good meal macro-wise. But every now and again, treat yourself. I believe in balance and I believe in health. So it's healthy to treat yourself every now and again. Don't be depriving yourself. Okay kids, so for dinner we have some Uncle Ben's rice and some vegan chicken nuggets. This has got to be the most boring meal out of all of them. But this, I actually, no lie, I eat this shit every day. I tried to tell you guys it was not gonna be interesting meals. Dude, I was watching other people's what I eat in a days and their meals look so pretty and like fun and interesting. Theirs compared to mine, kind of feel bad about my meals. Macros of this meal. So there's only like 14 grams of protein in this meal, which is not very much. About 10 grams of fat, 33 grams of carbs. If there's more protein, it wouldn't be that terrible, honestly. But yeah, that could definitely be better. But at least it's more protein than the pad thai was, right? Oh, and I guess I should mention I'm not vegan, but I try to eat primarily plant-based. So that's why these are vegan nugs. Dude, this is probably why I have a nugget physique, because all I eat are nuggets. Alright, for our final little treat of the day, we're just gonna have a protein bar. And that pretty much does it, kids. I'm embarrassed at how boring this was. It's just my meals. Like I said, my meals are freaking boring, guys. So let's look at our ending macros for the day, shall we? Our final calorie amount for the day is 1,194 calories. So about 1,200 calories. And then we had 54 grams protein, 142 grams of carbohydrates, and 47 grams of fat. So that's not very good. Maybe what I'll do is like make another video about how I'm changing my diet a little bit and show you guys what I do to get more protein in. Let me know if that's something you want to see. I hope you all enjoyed this what I eat in a day. If you liked it, make sure you give it a like, subscribe to see more from yours truly, MamaSwole and Suki Swole, and comment below what other video requests you have. I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces. Ah.